Hi guys, this is Vidisha Vitlani and welcome back to the mobile pop-up. The first word for today is device. Now, this device is not your phone device. The spelling of your phone device is D-E-V-I-C-E. This device is D-E-V-I-S-E. Now, what does device mean? Device simply means to form, to make up something. For example, a strategy needs to be devised. That means a strategy needs to be formed. Okay. Now the second word is moot. M-O-O-T. Moot. Now what does moot mean? Moot means something that is subject to debate, that is debatable. For example, the rise in temperatures is due to the greenhouse gases is a moot point. Okay. Now the third is elusive. Elusive. What does elusive mean? Elusive means something that is rare, something that is difficult to find. For example, the panda is now an elusive animal. Okay. So the three words for the day. The first word is devise, D-E-V-I-S-E. Please mind the spelling of it. Second, moot. You can use this when you're writing the introduction for the agree or disagree point. Like this has always been a moot point. Okay. And the third is elusive. Elusive means rare, something that is difficult to find. Alright. Thank you guys. All the best.